Hello everyone, I am Sushmita from Computer Science and Engineering Department, Srinivas Institute of Technology, Mangaluru. I am presenting the topic on solar water bottle. The solar water bottle is a portable device that uses the solar energy to purify or heat water. This typically consists of water containers, solar panel, and various purification or heating mechanisms. The solar panel on the bottle harnesses sunlight and converts it into electricity, which powers the purification or heating process. Some solar water bottle incorporate filtration system or UV sterilization methods to remove the impurities, bacteria, and viruses and other contaminants from the water. These bottles are especially useful for outdoor activities, camping trips, or emergency situations where access to clean water may be limited. Solar water bottles designed for heating purpose feature an insulated container that retains heat. The solar panel powers a heating element which warms up the water inside the bottle. The advantages of solar water bottles are the solar water bottles are compact and lightweight, making them easy to carry during outdoor activities or while traveling. Once purchased, solar water bottles do not require additional expenses for electricity or replacement parts. This is particularly beneficial for individuals who enjoy the hot beverages like coffee, tea on the go. It can be useful for various purposes such as purifying water, heating beverages, or even charging small electronic devices through USB ports that some models can include. The solar water bottles are the innovation solution that combines the benefits of solar energy with the convenience portable water container. They provide an eco-friendly and sustainable way to access clean drinking water. Solar water bottles show promise as such a sustainable and energy efficient solution for heating and purifying water. Further research and testing are necessary to fully understand their effectiveness, practicality, durability, and cost effectiveness. Thank you.